Okay, my friend, how are you today? This is Yuda, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a good XT60 connection. It's very simple, and we're gonna make it now, and I'm gonna show you. So what you have to do, you need the female and the male that XT60 have. We have to have it to plug it in the same orientation like this. You have to put it like that. Yes, if you want to solder, you must to do that this way, otherwise it's gonna melt and we're gonna have some problem. The next thing we need to do, if we want to make the female for, I need it for my drone, so we have to tight it close like that, make it hold it like this. Yes, you see, we hold it very good, very nice. And then what we need to do, we must to have some flux inside this, so I always use some flux there, so I just put it there, little bit flux in both sides, so when we melted it's gonna be good and we're gonna have a good connection. The next thing we need to do, we need to choose what gauge of wire we need. So I always use like 16 to 14 gauge. The last gauge, AWG, it means that it's gonna be more heavy and more teeth. So this one is smaller. It's 20, is much smaller than this one. If it's 10, it's much bigger. So we're gonna have like a red and black that was used for the positive and the negative. So we need to find these two, and we're gonna have like that together. We measure what size we want. So I always use like around 10 centimeter. If you want less, you can do less, but this is what I do, so we can cut it. And the next thing we're gonna do is to take it out just a little bit, you see, and this one very good. I can take a little bit much more, and the other end the same. The cramping, so normally somebody have cramping machine, so what we do, we put some flux in the wire. Make sure that you're gonna put the red one into the plus, okay, and the black is gonna be the minus, so be careful on that, okay? If you want everything gonna go nice and fit, you have to do this way, and we can little bit like that. Yes, just make sure it fit good and it's gonna be no problem. Very nice. You can see, yes. Twist it a little bit and lean it like that. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to put the solder in about 450 degrees, so it's gonna make a good joint and fast connection, so we're not gonna melt it. I'm gonna show you now how you do. This is how I do all my soldering. So I make it around 450 degrees Celsius, and you will see now how it's make it. So we're waiting this to be 450. We're gonna clean this tip, put in the flux a little bit. I always put on the flux and clean it. Clean the tip. And what we have to do, we're gonna put some heat here. I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna put some heat inside there, and let it go like this. So it's gonna fit very nice. Yeah. Yeah. flux was go inside and melted with this, and you can see how we go. You see, when the flux coming there, that's it. We finish this part. See, if you want to clean it a little bit here on the side, it's okay, and you can put a little bit more to just to make it more strong, but it's gonna be very strong. See, this is how I do. I just push that and leave it over there. Then we're gonna put the heat shrink, the red one, on top of that, so we not have any problem. And that's it for the red one. And let's go for the next one. Is gonna be the black that we cut. Yes. Gonna clean the tip for the next one we want to do. Okay, let's take the black one, and we have it here. You can see, and we're gonna push it into the flux and push it like that, so it's going this way, and we're gonna leave it this way, so it's gonna go like this. And we're gonna put some inside the heat. We're gonna put it, and then we push it, and it will melt inside. You see, and this is how you do the joint. You can see it's making nice bounded and good connection here, and this is how you do. Okay, this is for now. Now we're gonna put the heat shrink, the black and red, on the top and put some heat on that. Make sure to clean the joint, and this is it. This is how you make the XT60. I'm going to show you the heat shrink. Okay, my friend, now we have the heat shrink. So we need to take the red and black, and we're gonna cut it a little bit. Take the red one, like half, always use half, and black half. Yeah, you don't need to go crazy on that, so you can push it all the way like that, like I do, and put some in heat shrink. Put some heat in the side with the iron, and it's gonna go like this very slowly. Make sure you're gonna put in all X's and all size, so you not have any problem with that. Yeah, be careful about the plastic, not to melt it. It's hard to show you, but I show you with my video, and we can put it like that. The red should be inside this, and we can go like that way. Yeah, slowly. See how you do? This one make a nice connection between, and you can do with a heat shrink gun, but I do it fast just to show you how to make it nice and fast and strong. So now for testing if everything okay, we have to take this wire up, push it, and it should come up. Yeah, you can see how we make XT60. Okay, we can give it a little bit heat shrink in the side, so we're not gonna have any problem. If you want to make sure, you can put one more heat ring on the top just for safety. And this is how you do. It's good when you do that, do a few like this, so you have spare, because you cannot know whenever you need it, you know. It's very important that you have it ready. And this one, make sure everything is good and strong. And this is how you do it, my friend. Very easy. So we have this. We can go make another one. I hope you like this video, and I hope I help you how to make a XT60. Very easy. Okay? Very strong. See. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will show you more. Thank you.